In this quick video guide, we're going to talk about Pikimow, which is a website where you can create videos and you can do video editing and apply video effects totally free. And we can see here you can use it only with the Chrome and Edge browser. So right now I just need to access through another browser, but everything works on the browser. So we don't need to do installations or anything. So just search it in any search engine, in any browser, and then use Chrome or Edge to proceed. So you can see this is totally free. We have an introductory video here, and you don't need to sign up, so no need to create accounts or anything. And it's browser based, meaning that you just go into the website and that's it. You don't need to upload anything, so your upload they stay locally, and your files stay locally. It supports 4K resolution and so on. So that's a brief introduction right there. And so we're gonna just do a test. I'm just gonna start and we're gonna open up project. So this is a splash screen where we have some updates and it is constantly updated. Also, you can support if you want to thank the author here. There is different possibilities, and then you can create a new project or you can open an existing project. You have demo projects right here, and you have also tutorials. And so let's go for the demo projects for this introduction. So I'm gonna go here and click on this little thumbnail, and it's gonna open up the demo projects, or this one here that I chosen. And you can see it works with the timeline and the CTI current time indicator in pink, and it has the play button and the stop button. So everything looks pretty familiar if you are familiar with video editing tools and video montage and video effects. We already created other video courses on other free open source alternative to Premiere or After Effects or similar video editing and video effects application. And we have, standard panels, classic panels like properties panels and project panels. There's a panel for the author right there if you want more information about that. And here we have tracks, so it works perfectly with the same method of Premiere Pro, or again, similar software. Once you finish, you can export video, you can export image sequence, which means you can also use image sequence like from 3D animation software. So you can create your video montages or slide presentation of images, etc., etc. And you can change the size and so on. And here you have layers, so you can turn on and off layers. You can work with text layers and video layers. Another type of properties here, you can animate properties and do simple infographics, motion graphics, and so on. So it's not like the most complete and complex app. It's just a web app with basic most important things that you need to use if you want to do a quick montage, if you want to put some content in there. So few menus here with few actions, few panels. Everything is simple and concentrated. So if you're looking for something quick, free, and simple, you can definitely use that's the full screen mode up there, which is also pretty handy. And that's it. So this will be all for this video guide. If you enjoyed this video and you wanna some extra video guides about this specific app, you can just write in the comments. Join the channel to support us if you want, and just subscribe if you wanna follow the other videos that we're gonna publish every day. And if you're interested, you can check other video courses about video editing, video effects in the channel, among many, many others. So again, join, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video guide.